What if I told you just 1 teaspoon of simple ingredients could strengthen your bones, prevent fractures, and improve your bones' overall health? It sounds unbelievable, right? So stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to reveal the number one natural remedy that can boost your bone strength and how you can use it effectively. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anshul Gupta. Welcome to my channel. If you are worried about weak bones, osteoporosis, osteopenia, or simply want you to age gracefully with stronger bones, then you are in the right place today. Because today I'm going to share with you a science-backed natural remedy that can improve your bone health, and just 1 teaspoon of this remedy every day can boost your bone health significantly. Now, several people have been told to improve their bone health, the only two things they need is calcium and vitamin D. To increase their calcium content, most people are eating too much dairy these days. But in reality, some of the research studies show that excessive consumption of dairy can increase inflammation in your body and can be harmful for your bones. So in today's remedy, we are using ingredients which has 4 times higher calcium content than milk. Plus, along with calcium and vitamin D, you need other minerals to support your bone health like vitamin K, like magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus also. And this one remedy provides you with all of these vitamins and minerals in one go, so it can support your overall bone health. So let's get started. So let me first discuss with you all the different ingredients in this particular remedy so you are aware why they are helping you. And in the end, I'm going to discuss with you how to properly prepare it and when to consume this. So the first ingredient for this remedy is sesame seeds powder. Now sesame seeds are a superfood for your bones because specifically they are very high in calcium, magnesium, zinc, as well as manganese. All of these minerals play different roles in improving your bone health. Calcium is needed to improve your bone density. Magnesium is needed to absorb calcium effectively from your gut, while zinc and manganese are responsible for bone formation as well as bone repair. So thereby sesame seeds having all of these different vitamins and minerals in them are a superfood that is the first ingredient of this remedy. The second ingredient of this list is shiitake mushroom powder. The reason we are using shiitake mushroom powder over here is that these are the only food source which has vitamin D in them. Yes, you heard it right. Shiitake mushrooms have natural vitamin D2 into them. So if you consume shiitake mushrooms on the regular basis, then you are getting natural version of vitamin D. So it was shown in research studies that regular consumption of shiitake mushrooms improved the absorption of calcium from the gut, and it was also shown that shiitake mushroom helped in improving the bone density. So that's the reason shiitake mushroom powder is the second ingredient of this list. The third ingredient on this list is moringa powder. What most people are not aware is that moringa leaves have 4 times more calcium content as compared to the milk. Along with this, moringa powder is also high in vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as magnesium. All of these vitamins again play a very crucial role in preventing bone loss and actually helps repair your bone and improving your bone density. So that's the reason moringa powder is an important ingredient of this remedy. The fourth ingredient on this list is chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in protein. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, as well as they are high in calcium and magnesium as well. Omega-3 fatty acids reduces inflammation in your body, thereby promoting your bone growth. By providing you good quality protein as well as calcium and magnesium, again it supports bone health and improves the bone density. So you see, these are 4 powerful ingredients which are completely dairy-free and still can provide you calcium, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, and all the other minerals which are needed for proper bone health. Now, how to prepare this remedy? I call this remedy a 1 teaspoon bone builder blend. So to prepare this bone builder blend, you need half a teaspoon of moringa powder. You need 1/4 teaspoon of ground sesame seeds. Then you need 1/4 teaspoon of dried shiitake mushroom powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of grounded chia seeds. You can even prepare this mixture for 1 week long and then store it in your refrigerator, and every morning you can consume 1 teaspoon from this mixture. The best way to use it is that you can mix this 1 teaspoon of mixture into a warm water, or even better, if you mix it with almond milk, it is even better because almond milk will give you extra calcium and more omega-3s and good quality protein. So thereby enhancing the bone builder capacity of this remedy again. Now, when to consume this remedy? This remedy can be consumed actually anytime during the day. So if you want to consume it with your breakfast or with your lunch or even between meals, you can certainly do that. It is not going to harm your body and it is well absorbed even with meals. Now, to enhance the bone building capacity of this particular remedy, it is always good to combine a supplement of vitamin D with vitamin K2. This remedy will give you some vitamin D, but most of us are so low in vitamin D that an external supplement is always necessary. So most people will need a 5,000 international units of vitamin D on the daily basis. And once you combine this vitamin D with vitamin K2, it becomes super powerful because vitamin K2, first of all, increases the absorption of vitamin D from your gut, as well as vitamin K2 helps the deposition of this vitamin D and calcium directly into your bones and not in your arteries or in your blood vessels. So I will recommend to you, along with this remedy, taking a vitamin D plus K2 supplement that will greatly enhance the powers of this particular remedy. I have created this special vitamin D with K2 supplement. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. So you see, this 1 teaspoon super powerful remedy can help you with your bone health significantly. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.